Alright, well, we're a week into this thing now, I think, right? We did 6 last night, so now it's time for number 7, which is right over here. So, let's get this open. Peek the mic a couple of times. Oh, hey, look, it's another person. Oh, I mean, I guess it's to be expected. Let's go ahead and open up that bag. Far away from the microphone. Oops, I just dropped a piece out of the bag. Well, hopefully it wasn't important or there are extras. Otherwise I'll have to fall down on the floor and find it. It would be her head. I'll be right back. I just need to push my chair back here and get down on the floor. Everybody do the dinosaur. Ah, there it is. I'm not sure if any of you could actually hear me while I was doing that. Anyway, let's go ahead and throw her together. Let's see, we've got like a lady wearing a scarf and a jean shirt, and I'd like to speak to your manager, hair, and a shovel. Why a shovel? Alright, well. Okay, that's day 7 right there. Got a little lady of some sort there. Anyway, so thanks for joining me for day 7 of the LEGO Advent Calendar. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to support the things that I do on the rest of the channel. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.